here it is, 22nd October, a Saturday. The sun is shining. It was 28 degrees when I left the house, so I'm all bundled up. Got my winter boots on and my winter gloves and coat, wearing the balaclava. Got the heat demon going. Skim ice on these puddles and frost everywhere. This is gonna run up to the lake, see how that's doing. If I can get around there. Ooh, sun in my eyeballs. Haven't felt that in a long time. They got snow in the forecast, but how much we get and when exactly it comes in, we're not sure. We might get a little break in the rain. But you don't got to shovel rain. Well, we still got some water coming down the rock pile. Could be just some seepage. But we'll see. And the mud hole is still up. Still water running in here. Little skim ice on the top. Well, I wouldn't exactly call that the first icebreaker of the year. Well, what do you guys think? You tell me. I normally don't call it an icebreaker unless it's skittering along in front of me, making a lot of crunchy sounds. See if this washout's got any deeper. Boy, it's eating in this side now. Right there. Oh, yeah, that got a little deeper. I got a little driftwood on the ground here. Not much. That'd be a tire ripper there. Yeah, the water here has gone down quite a bit. Let's see what it looks like up ahead. Well, the water is down quite a bit from last time. I gotta pick my way through the driftwood. I think I go down this way. Got ice on the lake now. Well, that big one that was out there giving me the fingers last time I was here is gone. I threw a big stump up in here. Get around and see what Lost Creek looks like. big one there. Well, big old moose track. Easy trail from here on. Let's see keep on going. Beautiful sight up there in the mountains. Really coming down. Okay, got some washout in this area too. This is odd. Oh, that's a big hole. Better back up and take a gander at this. Normally I'd try to straddle it, but it's ate underneath there. I try and go to the right. That's the first time I've ever seen a washout up here. This is normally a pretty easy trail from this point on. Whoops, get my goggles down. That frosty air on your eyeballs don't feel good. Get through this rocky creek bed. Whoops. Bottom to there. Just enough water here that it covers the rocks. There we go. That's a lot coming down there. There's a beaver pond up there, and if there's a lot of water coming down here, it's a lot of water up there. Easy trail from here. Well, riding the ridge here. A beautiful sight. Don't want to go off the edge in here. Whoa, like I almost did there. Loose little rocks. That's what I get for not paying attention. Okay, one last downhill here. Turn down Ralph's Trail. See what things are doing up this end. Running in here. Well, this end has still got some high water in it. And all I'd be doing is bouncing around on the rocks in there. All them icebergs that were out here, they all gone. Went out the other way down the river. This is all glacial silt and round rocks. So unless it's dry, I don't run out on it. It'll spin out from under you in a heartbeat. But I made it. Go turn around and run up the Sherman Trail. See what's going up there. This isn't looking good. Let's stop here. There's been a big flood here. Don't get too close to that. That's broke off underneath. This used to run out to where that other gully is there. And then you used to be able to get down in there. I don't know where you get in here now. So anyway, anybody who wants to run around in the Sherman River, he's got to find himself a new trail. Flooded big time in here. Good. Oh, it's a good 60, 70 feet wiped out. Okay, turn around, head home. Oh, what a beautiful sight. Back through this washed out area. Dropped into a hole there, but give it a little goose, pulled right out. Okay. Oh, I wanted to go around this way. Well, that was the worst of it. Work my way around to the trail that's over there, and I'll be on the way out. And back through the other washout. Success again. Okay, back out. Swing around here and unload everything. What a great day. Got just some water up to the top of my boots. Wet my pants leg, but no, that's not the first time that's happened. Beautiful. And thanks for coming along.